In today's video, I'll show you how to change the username of an account in Windows 10. Whether you've misspelt it or just want a fresh start, this process is quick and easy. So, let's get started. First, you need to open the control panel. There are a few ways to do this, but the easiest is to search for it. When it appears in the search results, click to open it. Once you're in the control panel, look for the option called User Accounts. Click on it, and then click on User Accounts again in the next window to manage your settings. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see an option that says Change your account name. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can type in your new username. Type in your desired username and click the Change Name button. For some users, the name will change instantly. However, in some cases, you may need to restart your computer or log off and log back in for the changes to take effect. And that's it. You've successfully changed the username for your account in Windows 10. Simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments if there's something else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.